In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the HAYLOU Fun App on your Haylou RS4 Smart Watch. Now the first thing that you will notice is that the watch itself, it will time out and go blank within 5 seconds. This can be easily corrected by extending the time. So let's start up our HAYLOU Fun App. Go to My Smart Device. Tap on the Haylou RS4 watch. In order to extend the duration of the display, scroll until you see duration of on screen. Currently it is at 5 seconds. You can change it to 10 or even 15 seconds. We'll change it to 15 seconds. Next, another very cool feature for this watch is that you can actually change the watch face itself. For that, go to dial setting. So currently the watch face is as per what you see on the watch. We'll select rainforest. We need to do an online SIM plate. We can see that the watch is synchronizing with the download. There, your watch face has been updated. Let's select another watch face. We'll try the cool electronic watch. There, your watch face is now a cool electronic watch. So there are many other watch face that you can play around with. So do check it out. And there are other cool features that you can try out, such as you can turn on the message notice. You can turn on the notice and that will turn on for everything, which may not be what you want, so you can select the specific app that you want. So we'll turn off notice and perhaps we just select WhatsApp. Let's try to send a message to the smartwatch. You can see that the message for WhatsApp has just came in, and so you can play around with the other cool features using the HAYLOU Fun App. Finally, we'll show you how to reset the watch back to factory defaults. To do that, tap on the Settings tab, and there you can check for a firmware update or even to reset to factory. But bear in mind, once you do that, all the settings will be lost. So be very clear that you want to do a factory reset before you select confirm. We'll cancel for now. And you can also unbind the device from your phone itself. Now, besides using the Fun App, you can also go to the settings on the watch itself and do a reset. Again, all the personal data will be removed upon factory setting. So we'll cancel for now. And so this is how you use the HAYLOU Fun App together with your RS4 smartwatch, and we've just shown you several features such as extending the display duration, changing the watch face, do the settings for incoming messages, as well as how to do a factory reset for the watch.